Hey guys, so today I wasn't planning on doing this video, but we started getting to gardening, Paula and myself, and I get really excited about certain things. So we went an hour south to Ventura, California, and we went to this place called the Green Thumb Nursery. I only recorded one clip because we weren't planning on showing you, but this place was so cool. I want to show you guys the one clip that I do have. It's about 30 seconds, and then I want to show you what I bought. So we ended up buying a lemon tree, cucumber, little starter plant, onions, green onions, and chile serrano. It was really cheap. The tree was about 40 bucks. Everything else was about 10 bucks for the other three, and I bought some Osmo coat. So this is the guy said it was like crack. Not even kidding. This stuff here, Osmo coat, is a slow. It's a slow fertilizer. So it's a smart fertilizer. It releases slowly. This thing is really cool, apparently. We'll see if it works out. But anyway, today I want to show you the clip. You know, in this clip, you'll see Paula, my girlfriend. I recorded her, and you can see a bunch of green in the background, all these plants. But what you don't see is behind the tent, there is a lot more, right? You know, you're indoors now. So there's a section where it's really hard roof, right? Like a normal store, like Home Depot. Then you step into the place where I recorded, which is a tent. And it's a really, really long tent, really, really wide. And then once you leave that tent, that's where the trees are. Bunch of trees. So we bought a lemon tree and some other little things and some dirt. Total was 66 bucks, really cheap. I recommend it. And now on to the clips. Goodbye.
I'm not even smiling.
I'm recording you. Recording.
What are we gonna kill this weekend?
Okay, so here we have the three little starter plants that we purchased. The cucumber, the Persian cucumber. We have the bunching onion, non-GMO, of course. And then, you know, we get a six pack, right? Kind of like beer, but this is not beer. And then here we have the last plant, which is, what is this thing here? Oh, this is the serrano. This is the chile serrano. So we wanted a little bit of chile. I feel like growing chile is kind of cool because you use it all the time. So it saves you a few trips to the store. And then last but not least, officially, is my tree. This is my first tree, which I'm really excited for. This is a lemon tree that I bought. It was 40 bucks. As you can see here, it's a citrus tree. And it's pretty small, which is good. They start them for you. As you can see here, I'll show you right now. They have a few lemons already. And they have a little bit of information. I didn't show this now, but on the back, they tell you how to water it and how to start it, even though the people there are really helpful. But that's it. This is what I bought at the Green Thumb Nursery. Really nice, and they gave us a free sifter for our dirt. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, stay tuned for updates because I recently planted from the seeds a couple of onions. I'll be posting a video of how it looks week 0. And I used an old grill to plant it just because I didn't want to throw the grill away. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Go to the Green Thumb Nursery. They have a couple locations. Check them out. Really nice place. Really cheap, actually. So with that being said, take care. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.